Jake and Joy, season 10, and we have been doing foods that go with the season. And what we're discovering is that so many foods are available in any season, and some of them, you know, maybe you should be not eating because they got trucked in from Chile, or maybe they kept them on sulfur dioxide to keep them alive. But there's a lot of foods that are grown, especially when you live in a temperate region like California. So you can really use your best judgment as to when a food feels like it's in season for you. But you'll see that there's certain things that go along with different times.
Yeah, it can kind of feel daunting to be like, well, how do I know when I go in my grocery store? I got to look at every single label to see, like, was it grown locally? An easy way to do that is to go to your local farmer's market, and what they've got is what's in season.
You can also grow your own. We use a vertical aeroponic growing system that you can use as well. And what's growing on your tower garden is what
is in season.
What's in season. The cocktail that we're making today, the mocktail I should say, is made from a peach shrub. So you might want to use that during peach season, which is usually the summer.
Or fall.
Or fall, when stone fruits are available. And we're going to use something called Seedlip. And this is one of the pioneers in non-alcoholic liquors that they make it from a bunch of different herbs. It's actually as expensive. This is $42 for this bottle.
Yeah, serious.
And
there are actually some bars that make mocktails with this particular brand.
Well, that's how we became aware of it.
Yeah.
Just because we went to this very fancy restaurant in Santa Barbara called La Quita, and they made the most amazing drink, and it was so complex. You know, cocktails are all the rage right now. Some places are doing that with mocktails as well, and we've made in this season, we made a kombucha mimosa, which I could not have told whether that had champagne in it or not. And you felt that way too, Derek.
Tasted just like it.
Yeah, it was amazing. We have a couple of there are 3 different blends of Seedlip. This is the Grove 42, which is the newest one, and it's a citrus. And we have used this before. We made a marmalade, champagne-y type thing in a couple seasons ago. This is the Garden, and this is more like gin.
Yeah.
And I like this just with tonic, as a gin and tonic. It actually tastes like that. But we did have a recipe that I believe we did in one of our episodes.
Yeah, I think we did.
That was really good. So today we're going to do something really simple and show you how easy it is to make a mocktail. Now, when I'm not drinking alcohol, I like just having tonic water or soda water with bitters. That's kind of my new thing to do. And this is almost as simple as that. We're just going to use the Seedlip, and we're going to use a shrub.
And you can get shrubs. And this looks like really fancy. It came from some little boutique-y place, but you can get shrub at your grocery store. Shrubs like in the alcohol section. So you can find all kinds of different flavors and versions, and so you can kind of test them out.
And you can make your own shrubs really easily as well.
Yeah, because what a shrub is it's made with vinegar. So you also have to, if you don't like a vinegar, like an apple cider vinegar kind of flavor, you're not going to maybe want to do a shrub, but you might do bitters or something else instead.
Right.
So
when I use bitters, I want a lot of bitters. Like when I go to a restaurant and I ask for soda water with bitters, I like put 1 drop of bitters. And like I would like to. It's kind of like when we made dirty martinis. You know, like I want stuff in it. So with this recipe, it calls for 1 part shrub, 2 parts spirit, and 2 parts club soda. For this recipe, you're going to need some type of non-alcoholic fake liquor. We use Seedlip. You're also going to need sparkling water and a shrub. We're using a Peach Jalapeno Shrub made by Broken Clock Vinegar Works. Now that you have the ingredients, let's put it all together. You might want to use a measuring cup like the one that's found on the top of a cocktail shaker, or you may have a shot glass that you like to use. But the whole basis is that you just want to be equal. So if we use 1 part...
we're going to do a double. We're going to double, right? Double match?
Yeah, so we'll do two parts shrub. 1, 2...
And then we think that the citrus is going to go better with the peach.
Yeah, I do too. But you can experiment. There's also one that's very similar to a whiskey, and that might be good with the peach as well.
Yeah, true. So
we drank all that.
Yeah. So we're gonna do 4 parts of the Seedlip. Yeah, I can really smell the vinegar. Can you smell the vinegar, Derek?
I don't want to smell it though.
You don't like vinegar?
It reminds me of when you dye eggs for Easter. You put the vinegar in the coloring.
You just wafted it at me.
Yeah, so I was wafting it towards you.
Vinegar just smells like clean to me.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, and then we're going to shake that up. Obviously, you don't want to shake the soda water in the shaker. It will explode.
Easy, Taylor Swift, we're shaking it up.
Well, you actually really want to... One thing we learned, Jake and I did a martini class, and what we learned is that you really, really, really want to shake cocktails because you want to get that ice
The ice like
In
starts
there.
to come off of
Now,
it.
I would like this without it over ice. Let's try one with over ice and one without over ice. Hey, it looks really good. Now I would add a garnish on this because I want it to look really cute. And I also like jalapenos. Jake does not. I'm gonna pour this in this. You're not even measuring.
2 parts? Oh, I was just gonna.
Okay, that's it. That's it. Okay, and then 2 parts. You already did one. 1, 2. Okay, and then I would personally, I would add a little slice of pepper on mine, just for the looks. Now you could do it on the side of these knives.
And like one of the knives is really sharp, and then the rest are
You could just have it floating, or we could do a little slice down the middle
on this.
and have it on the side. You could run it around the rim.
What about Chad and Brad and all those guys?
Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah, where are
Our
where are our
mascots.
guys?
glass. You can have Brad. I'm gonna take Mitch.
How do you know what their names
They're
are?
on their butts.
They are?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
That's how most guys are.
Yeah. Their name's on your butt.
Anyway,
Okay,
that's
let's
kind of
see.
cute. But you could also have it like kind of dangling in it. I don't know. That looks kind of stupid. Cheers.
Okay, let's see.
Cheers. I like it.
Yeah.
I think it's good.
Let me give it a try.
With Mitch there.
Mitch.
Yeah.
What's up, Mitch?
Your buddy. Get his butt.
Whew, it's pretty vinegary.
It is. That's what shrubs are.
Not vinegary?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I would maybe do
Less.
Less.
It does say Mitch right there, and he's a keister. Here we go.
That is a keister.
Okay.
See if you like it without the
Well, I always like things with ice.
not martinis. Did you like it?
I'm glad you guys like it.
So,
Is it too
Seedlip.
spicy with you?
No, it wasn't spicy at all. Seedlip. You can find it in a lot of grocery stores. A lot of.
It
Whole
just
Foods
feels
carries
like
it.
I'm drinking a cocktail.
Yeah.
Really. It just doesn't make you
Why? Just because it's after 4 p.m.?
Now I got the spice on my lip.
No,
yeah,
because it's got all this. The vinegar makes it taste like that, and and the Seedlip actually does too. It tastes like you're having a cocktail, and it's a very, advanced mocktail. So
Yeah, it is.
tell your local sheriff to start serving these. Cheers to you.
Bye, you guys.
Thanks for watching.